How to fix can't connect tap to retry Facebook problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix can't connect tap to retry Facebook problem. So guys, what you have to do is first of all you have to go to your settings, phone settings, and then check your internet connection. So guys, your internet connection, you have to check your internet connection whether it is on or not. So I don't have on, so I will on the connection. And then after doing this, if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is you have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for Facebook. After searching Facebook, you have to see whether the Facebook is asking for an update or not. So if they are asking for an update, you have to update your Facebook. After updating your Facebook, you just restart your phone once. You have to restart your phone, and then after restarting your phone, what you have to do is you have to go to your phone settings again. You have to go to your phone settings and then scroll down and go to app management. After going to app management, you have to search for Facebook. Here is it. Click on Facebook, and then what you have to do is just stop the force here. Now after stopping the force, you have to click on storage uses. Just click here and you have to clear all the data here. Now go back and you can see here permission. Just click to permission and allow all the permission here. So you have to allow all the permission, and now after allowing, you have to go back to your phone settings, scroll down, and you can see here software updates. After clicking the software updates, you have to see whether they are asking for an update or not. So here is it, they are asking for an update. So you have to update your software, your device, and after updating, let's see we can use Facebook or not. Wait for a second. So we can use Facebook. See, we can use Facebook in after doing this. So if you do these tips, then your Facebook will work for you. Thanks for watching.